Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to add registration marks and how to combine different layers of vinyl. And we're also going to show you where you can get images for your logos and things like that. You can get templates and other things to make your life easier. Make sure you watch the video until the end. Okay guys, I got my image right here, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add little squares or rectangles and weld them with each color, each layer, or whatever you want to call them. Let's go ahead and grab our image and let's go to shapes right here. Let me see, rectangle. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the, I don't know what they're called, the lines, just like that. And you'll see why. Oh, first I'm gonna resize the logo. I'm gonna make it about 20. Right now is around 16, but I'm gonna go ahead and make it a little bit bigger since I'm going to use a vinyl that is 24 inches. Might as well just try to use it all. And this is what I'm doing. And the reason I'm doing this is because I just want to get an idea. I don't want to get out. I don't want to go out of the measurements just like that. And I'm gonna pick the color gold. I'm just gonna add it like that. And for some reason, I don't like the little, do you see that black line around the square? I'm just gonna delete it, and I'm gonna drag it down and make a copy of it. And basically do the same thing on this side here, and just like that. So I already have the registrations for the gold color. And I'm gonna make another copy just like I did, drag it down and then make another copy. Oops, let's do it again. Okay, like that, copy. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go like that, grab this one and then press the shift button. And again, grab the inside of the circle, again with the same, with the shift. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna weld and just go like that, see, yep. And okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move this one back here and I'm gonna make sure it's the same color as the blue color. Just grab it like that and just place it on top. Make sure it's 100% aligned. And then I'm gonna make another copy and do basically the same thing. I'm just going to align it like that and just repeat the same steps. Just grab each square or rectangle, and just to make sure that we are grabbing each layer correctly, just do that and they should change. Yep, just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and weld them just like that. See, simple as that. I'm gonna use the Oracle 651 vinyl gold color, and I'm also going to use navy blue. And for the equipment, we got the Graphtec CE 6060, which is a 24-inch vinyl cutter. All right, guys, in the meantime, what we have going on right now, my girlfriend's working on a project, and she has her own channel. She works from home. She has a small Cameo cutter, I think it's the Cameo 4 cutter, and she also uses the Cricut Easy Press, which is 10 by 12. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. If you guys want to show some love, you can follow it and make sure to subscribe. And all the content is gonna be in Spanish, mainly in Spanish, but we'd really appreciate if you guys show some support like you guys always do. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, that's all she can say. No, I'm just kidding. She knows more than that, but she's a little shy. Okay guys, we got our first layer, and this is the gold, as you can see it. And you see the square that I put around the image, just like that. Makes it a lot easier to weed out. And now we gotta be really careful with our registration marks. Yeah, do you see those? When we get to them, we'll just be really careful when we weed out. We're gonna give it to the customer as one altogether, one piece, because we usually do the installations ourselves, but not this time. So basically we're going to add each layer on top of each other like you would with just regular stickers. There's a website, it's not for free, but they have templates. You can also do like business cards, flyers, and stuff like that. I mean, you gotta pay, I think it's like $100 a year, but you get to download images. Some of them are not vector images, but usually really good resolution that you can vectorize. Okay guys, we already put the tapes on the corners, and the tape that we're using, as you guys already know, the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put some tapes just to hold the second layer. Okay, this is all you gotta do. Just align the first one. You can do either side, but we recommend that you do one first, and then once you have one, lock it up and do the other one. Okay, this one's in place, and then we can do the other one. I'm gonna put a huge tape. Just put it right here. Make sure you grab both of the backing tapes and make sure it stays on the table. All right, this is what we're going to do. Just going to do it slowly like that. Take your time and make sure you do it evenly. When you squeegee, make sure you squeegee evenly. This is what works for us, and if you have an easier method, just let us know. We take any tips that we can get. And someone asked me how to get rid of the registration marks. All you got to do is just peel them off. That's pretty much what you got to do. Someone asked me on how to remove them from I think it was a banner, and it was pretty much the same project, except we put it on a banner. All right guys, this is the end result. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to get any of the tools or equipment, make sure you follow the links. We really appreciate all your support. I know some of you have been buying through those links. Thank you very much. And I'll see you until the next time. Later.